Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are solving HackerRank Python Prepare challenges. The next one is lists and it is in easy category. Alright, it's going to teach us how to use list functions in Python. Functions such as insert, remove, append, sort, pop, and reverse. Alright, first of all, it is going to give us a number in the input, and it is the count of how many functions are going to be performed on our list. Well, let's define a list. For example, we define it as ls, and for now it will be equal to nothing. It's empty for now. And we write down a for to loop through our commands n times. So for underscore in range n, and inside this for we write the remaining of our program. And note, I use the underscore because whenever you don't need the index and you just need to loop through items without knowing their index, this is a good practice to use something unimportant like just an underscore. Alright, each time we should take input and we put it in something like command, and it will be equal to input dot split. So it will create a list by the name of command and split the input into it. For example, if the input is insert 05, command will be a list which its first item is insert, its second item is 0, and third item is 5. Alright, every time we are going to check first of all what is the command itself. So we write down an if, and the command name of course is the first item, which means it has the index of 0. So if command 0 is equal to, alright, the first one is insert. If command 0 is equal to insert, our program should simply insert it to the list. So ls dot insert, and the first item after that is I, which is the position and the index. So it will be integer of command 1, and the second item is e, which is the integer that we should add it to our list. So we write down int of command 2. Alright, so ls.insert int of command 1 and int of command 2. Alright, the next command is if command 0 is equal to print, we should simply print the list. So if command 0 is equal to print the list. Alright, the next command is remove, which removes the given integer. So elif command 0 is equal to remove, it should remove the option ls.remove int of command 1. Alright, the next one is if command 0 is equal to append it should ls dot append the integer of command 1. The next one is sort. Elif command 0 is equal to sort. It should ls dot sort. The next one is pop. It removes the last item from our list. If command 0 is equal to pop, it should ls dot pop. And the last one is reverse. Elif command 0 is equal to reverse. It should ls dot reverse. It will reverse our list. It means it changed the end and the beginning, and it looks fine. Let's check it out. Alright, and submit our code. I think everything must be right. Let's wait a few seconds for it. Meanwhile, I remind that everything from my YouTube channel is available in my GitHub too, github.com/arashnemat/YouTube. Let's come back here, and it's alright. It has 2 test cases and both of them are correct. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. This was Arash. See you next time.